Alright, so like I mentioned before, I brought my drone this time. Right there. I've got the DJI Mini 2. I've got the orange decals on it. This drone works great. It's got about a mile range. Awesome. I've taken it up in the mountains one other time. So I'm going to take it up here. I got to bust through these trees and I'm going to fly it up the road to the trailhead and see how far I can go. This will be really cool. Really interesting because I've never done a drone in the forest like this. Got the drone coming down. It's got some awesome footage. I mean, it's incredible what you can do with these. This thing did awesome. Again, it's the DJI Mini. It's beeping at me because the battery wants to die, but this thing is awesome. 2 thumbs way up. Alright, I'm gonna land it.